Hello guys, Rachel here of Archaeologist Gaming. Today, we're gonna do a short unboxing and also reviewing the DeepCool KB500 TKL mechanical keyboard. Let's do the unboxing. Inside the box, you will find the KB500 TKL keyboard itself, the user's manual, and the keycap puller. Let's go to the specifications and features. The keyboard has dimensions of 355 by 127 by 37mm. The KB500 is one of the newest keyboards offered by DeepCool. It is made from ABS plastic and aluminum plating, so it's sturdy and doesn't easily bend. The keycaps are double-shot ABS keycaps, which is a downer, as they tend to wear out after a long time of use. For the switch, this keyboard uses red Otemo switches. This also comes with blue and brown. The keycaps have enough concavity so I can rest my fingers easily on the keys. At the back of the keyboard, you will see 4 rubber grips to prevent the slipping of the keyboard while using it. The keyboard can increase its inclination by 1 level using the stands. The stands though don't have any rubber grips, but the keyboard won't slip. Sadly, the USB cable is not detachable for this keyboard. The cable has a length of 1.8 meters, which is braided, and the USB is gold-plated for better contact. Let's turn on the keyboard. There are function keys available for this keyboard to change the RGB or launch an application. Just read the user manual to see the functions or shortcuts for different keys. As we turn off the lights, you can really see how bright is the glow of the RGB of the KB500. I prefer this kind of brightness as it will help me see the keys on the dark as I tend to play with lights off. Other than function keys, the KB500 comes with a software. Here, you can do key mapping for different macros or launching of different applications that you want. You can change the lighting with different presets provided by DeepCool. Unlike the MC310 mouse of DeepCool, applying the lighting effects to the keyboard is instant and no delays. You can also create or record your own macros at the macro tab that you want to use in the key mapping tab to personalize your experience. I test the keyboard to the games I usually play. Performance-wise, I didn't experience any ghostings or misclicks during gameplay. The keys just need minimal effort to press them, but not minimal enough to misclick. I also tried to use this keyboard while typing the script for the voiceover. It really does the job. Adjusting to the size of the TKL keyboard was flawless for me, as I always use full-size ones for work purposes. Here are my final thoughts. The DeepCool KB500 TKL feels like a good mechanical keyboard. You will never think that this is from a company who just start playing in the peripherals market. The Otemo red switches are quite solid and the keycaps doesn't feel cheap. But as you know, ABS is ABS. Also, my own preference, I don't like the red Otemo switches. It gives you a talk-clack sound when you try to click it. Maybe the brown switches are good for me. Overall, this keyboard is a great one, with a simple and minimalistic design but with a premium feel even though the cable is not detachable and the keycaps are ABS. I can still recommend buying one. You can buy the DeepCool KB500 TKL keyboard around the price of 3,000 pesos at your nearest DeepCool affiliated stores. I hope this video is informational for you. For more videos, click on the subscribe button and follow my Facebook page. And see you in the next video.